Rahim. And the timer now starts. Umpire, the timer for the match has started. The timer for the match has started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the Clashes 2024 match between ADCL Greens, who are invited to bowl first. Zafir Khan starts off with the loose delivery and one bounce over the rope. Is it a 6 or a 4? Remains to be seen. It's a 6 or a 4. Umpire 6 or a 4? Okay, the umpire is confirmed as a 6. And that's another loose delivery up in the air, and this will be another 6. 2 loose deliveries dispatched for back-to-back 6s. A fantastic start by Al Ain Cricket lads. पहला हारा है, दूसरा जीता. That is over extra cover, 1 bounce and running away for a 4. Fantastic stuff. A dream start for Al Ain Cricket lads. 2 6s and a 4. Zafir asking Adem Hashmi to come in. That's a better delivery at dot ball. Slow delivery, played and a miss. Excellent stuff again, dot ball. Is a better delivery but played towards a gap through gully, and that's a 4. And that is an expensive over. 20 runs off it. Farhan Khalid Cheema, the captain, comes to brave the tides. Cutting in from the round the wicket. Farhan Khalid Cheema, the captain. Farhan Khalid Chima. Now bowling to Haroon Qaddus. Starts off with a wide delivery. Excellent delivery, appeal for the catch, but the umpire not interested. A good delivery nevertheless, dot ball. And try to heave-ho towards the fine leg side, but square leg side, apologies, but it's another dot ball. I think the idea here is correct. They are trying to force the batsman to hit towards mid-wicket, which is against the wind. That's a bad delivery. That is another white ball, a faster one, unnecessary, I would say. It's a white ball. That's another wide delivery. I think the persistence towards fast delivery is very strange. He has to get back to that delivery he's been bowling in the first couple of lineups. That is edge, and Imtiaz takes it, and that's a wicket. And Farhan Khalid Chima strikes. Yad Afridi, man with the safe pair of hands. And Alan Cricket lads have lost their first wicket. Soft dismissal, but nevertheless a good planning by Farhan Khalid Chima. He's done well. Confirmed. Syed Zargham, the man of the match of the previous match, comes to the ground. 31 50s 200. And that's a loose delivery and 4 towards a square leg. Too much time to the new batsman. The problem was not with the line, perhaps. I think the problem was with the length this time. Better delivery and played towards short mid-wicket. Call for a quick single, and they have taken successfully. Now Saleh Khan, the man in form, 20 from 6 deliveries, has been exceptional in the first over. Khalid Chima has a 1 delivery up his sleeve. Can he take another wicket here? Farhan Khalid Chima. Oh, that's a good delivery. That's poor wicket keeping, I must say, by Azhar. Should have been taken. That was easy as it can get. 1 by. Babar Ali walks in.
Bowler name Babar.
Babar Ali is a quick pace bowler, and let's see if he can flourish against. Oh, that's it! First ball, and that's the end of Saleh. Magnificent entry by Babar Ali. He's done amazingly. Clean bowl. That's fantastic entry by Babar Ali. This is his first delivery of this season. He wasn't available in Super 8 and the 100. Completed his schooling period and is back now. And immediately strikes against the dangerous Saleh. Fantastic stuff.
Salim, best friend Salim.
Salim, 42 50s, 700s. Magnificent average of 31.59 and more than 6,000 runs. 29 for 2. And Babar Ali has struck gold immediately with his first delivery. That is, I think it's going to be an interesting contest for sure. That's played towards deep mid wicket. There is a fielder there. Salim is off the mark. ये जब नया आया था ना तो इसकी धूम मच गई थी बाबर की. इसको शौक पड़ गया टेप बॉल का और हार्ड टेनिस का, वरना ही वो that is played and slashed towards deep point. That is 4. Oh, excellent delivery. That's one of the over, but magnificent bouncer. That is played towards short cover. Yes and no. Oh, very close. Is going to be another dot ball. A fantastic over comes to an end. Just 5 runs from it. It's 34 for 2 in 3 overs. (34 runs, 3 overs, and now the power play is finished. Sheroz box in. Wickets. He's taken 2 wickets in the last 2 matches, but economy rate is very high. Coming from over the wicket. The power play is finished. I think the team has not realized yet. Still have 5 players. Now the 5th one is out, so there are 4 players inside the circle. Taken a lot of time. 18 minutes have passed. Starts off with oh, that's loose stuff from Sheroz, a single. Play towards our 3rd man and a single taken again. That's a wide delivery. Azhar Iqbal did very well there. That is played over the extra cover region. 1 bounce over the rope. That is 4. Oh, better delivery, played in a miss. Oh, that's a bad delivery. Oh, excellent running, and that's sorry to say, not good stuff by fielder. Very lazy approach by Abid there. Should have been only a single. But excellent running nevertheless by Salim and Syed Zargham. Better delivery. That is elegantly played towards cover and glassy drive. That is 4 by Salim. An expensive over at the end. 14 runs from it. 4 overs, 48. For the loss of 2 wickets. क्या हो गया? नहीं वो नो डाउट इट वाज एन एक्सेप्शनल बॉल, एकदम राइज हुई है। लंबा बंदे का ना फ़ायदा होता है। ये
पहला मैसेज उनको सुना था शायद, फिर वो
एक रिक्वेस्ट ये मेरे से गलती हो गई। ये है शाहिद शब्बीर। 7 o'clock मैंने उसको मैसेज किया, आप रेस्ट करें प्लीज़।
क्या चाह रहे हैं आप?
मैं ये चाह रहा हूँ
गलती से इसका नाम डाल दिया, वो पुराना जो लिस्ट के हिसाब से। कामिल इधर बैठा हुआ है,
वो इसका नाम भी नहीं है। जो मैंने आपको प्लेइंग 11 सेंड की थी ना, उसमें भी इसका नाम नहीं।
तो अभी मैं
हाँ कर सकते हैं आप, नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं, क्या करना है?
वो नाम
शब्बीर को हटा के कामिल को ऐड करना है।
नॉट अलाउड।
लेकिन वो आप
गलती से
नॉट अलाउड सर।
नहीं, उसमें जो मैंने आपको लिस्ट में भेजी ना, ये देखो।
I don't. That list has nothing to do with us. That is my management list to see whether you guys are not. This is actually now the match. तो लिस्ट आ गई है, वो आ गई। मैं इसलिए हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ये रूल में भी लिखा हुआ है।
नहीं, लेकिन देखो उसमें उसने मना भी किया और नाम भी, दोनों का नाम भी देखो।
सर
मैं फिर वो कह रहा हूँ, इसकी मैच के अंदर कोई ऑफिशियल हैसियत नहीं है। ये मैं आपसे एज ए CEO ऑफ UCL पूछता हूँ कि यार कोई हलचल नहीं हो रही। मैंने आपको ये मैसेज कहा था ना, सारे सोए हुए हैं क्या? द लास्ट थिंग वी वांट इज के खुदा न खास्ता आपको गलत फहमी हुई हो डेट की फ्रॉम दैट एस्पेक्ट, ठीक है। दिस नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग टू मी एज अ मैच रेफरी वेयर आई हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट दोज रूल्स विच आर मैंशनड, विच क्लियरली स्टेट्स कि जो टीम आ गई है वो नहीं चाहिए। जो टीम एंटर हो गई है,
वो मेरे से गलती हो गई
सर। आप I agree with it, लेकिन एक I have to ask the other team and if they deny then फिर मैं क्या
चेक अगर वो डिनाई करते हैं फिर कोई बात नहीं।
बात ये है कि रूल ये सिंपली लिखा हुआ है इसके अंदर, the rule says not allowed, the rule says not allowed।
एक्चुअली वो पहला मैच है, अगर वो नहीं खेलेगा तो फिर नॉकआउट भी नहीं खेल सकता।
so you should have checked twice। आपको मैंने टाइम दे के कहा है, उन्होंने कहा जी मैं चेक कर लूँ, मैंने कहा जी कर लें, मैंने पढ़ा। वेलकम टू UCL। क्योंकि दिस इज़ नॉट अबाउट दिस टीम, दिस इज़ अबाउट दी अदर टीम्स एज वेल। वो भी मुझे यही कहेंगे फिर कि आपने कैसे अलाउ कर दिया, बिकॉज देयर हैव बीन मेनी इंस्टेंसेस वेयर आई सेड कि सॉरी।
एक्चुअली मैंने अभी आज नहीं खेले उसका
सर देखिए मैं भी कह रहा हूँ, आई हैव टू बी फेयर टू ऑल द टीम्स वेयर नहीं खेल सकते। मैं देखें ना, यहाँ तो मुझे कहा उस्मान भाई आपने जल्दी किया, आपने गलती किया। नो
मुझे हमें इनको सीखना चाहिए।
देखें सारे यहाँ तो आप टीम मैटर कर रहे थे ना, आपने मुझे कहा मैं दोबारा चेक करूँ, आपने मेरे सामने चेक की, ठीक है। मुझे आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी उसमें मिस्टेक हो गई। दैट्स क्लीन बोल्ड एंड
मलिक
ठीक। Excellent stuff by Babar. Fantastic stuff. He's taken second wicket. Umpire, the timer is stopped because of the azan, so just inform them the timer is stopped. लेकिन इनको कहें कि ये जो इकट्ठे बैठे हुए हैं ये अपनी अपनी फील्ड पोजीशन पे जाएं, क्योंकि इट विल टेक देम 2 or 3 minutes टू गो बैक टू देयर पोजीशंस. इन्होंने यहाँ इकट्ठे नमाज तो नहीं पढ़नी ना. Water is allowed, they can have it because it's a stoppage time. And we are back. And the timer has started as well. Wasim is now going to face and he guides the ball beautifully towards gully, and that's going to be a boundary. .64 50s and 1200s Wasim. He's not a bunny with a bat, he's a magnificent all-rounder. Very critical for land cricket lads today. And that is played towards mid-wicket, and Imtiaz takes it. Wasim, I think, misjudged and did not see the fielder there. And Imtiaz Afridi takes a brilliant catch, and third wicket by Babar Ali, who's picking up wickets quickly. That's a big wicket. Azim Ansari walks in. 46 50s, 300s. In 4.5 overs, but 4 wickets are now back in the pavilion. Babar Ali running in. That is inside edge, running away for a boundary. That's the end of a fantastic over. 61 for 4 in 5 overs. .61 for 4. 6-1 for 4. Kasim Sajjad will now bowl. Very experienced bowler. .162 wickets and a good economy rate. He is a magnificent bowler and an all-rounder, mind you. 61 for 4. Syed Zargam, a very important wicket as of now. Elegantly played towards extra cover. This might run away for 4, and it does. That's very maturely played towards mid wicket. A single taken. And that is right towards third man, and good fielding by Farhan Khalid Cheema. Call for 2, and they take it at the end. That's a play towards short mid wicket. They might think about 2. But they stick to a single here. And that is a hit towards mid wicket, and that's a 6. Fantastic hit by Syed Zargham, who's on the roll here, attacking and playing elegantly at the same time. 25 from 12 deliveries. That is, I think, going towards leg side. That's a dot ball. So an expensive over. 14 runs of it comes to an end. Farhan Khalid Cheema pick up the wickets. The first one, then 3 wickets by Babar Ali. And I won't be surprised if he will continue. Usama Butt will start the over. Oh, excellent delivery there, and single taken. That is slashed towards cover. Imtiaz Afridi, misfield by Imtiaz, and that is poor stuff. That is running away for another boundary. That is 4. Syed Zargam is taking the attack to ADCL Greens.
Like 7 or 8 months. What did you say? What did you say?
Oh, that is a good delivery. Question is, will it be 2 runs or just a single? It will be a single. That was definitely a Jaffa of a delivery. That is well fielded there by Farhan Khalid Cheema. Farhan Khalid Cheema will continue. The vice captain will continue. Farhan Khalid Cheema will continue. .37 minutes and 7 overs. They are taking more than 5 minutes per over. And that is hit firmly towards the mid wicket. That's a 6. 30 runs partnership, 35 from 14. The ball has crossed the 50 meter outside the boundary mark, so the stoppage time has been initiated. That was a magnificent hit by Azim Ansari, who seems perhaps more settled now.
उस्मान भाई जिसने हिट किया वो जरगम है.
Okay, thank you. And that is another big 6. Syed Zargam is on 46 and ACL is on 98. Better delivery. And that is bit of appeal there. And that is, can this be taken? Oh my goodness, that is absolutely pathetic. Umpire, what's the fielder's name?
Sharos.
My goodness, that is one of the worst fielding efforts I would say I have seen. Should have been a wicket, but 50 up for Syed Zargham. Magnificent hitting nevertheless. He has a clear policy which he is implementing. That's a bad delivery and will be dispatched for a boundary. And that is 108 in 8 overs. 108 in 8 overs, sir.
Bowler, continue.
Osama Butt will continue. The captain Osama. Syed Zargham is attacking and dare I say taking an amazing attack to ADCL Greens, who has the advantage of 4 wickets initially, but they could not take advantage of that. Oh, that will be a wide. It is. Another 9 for 4. And plate cut and सर जस्ट फॉर माई क्लैरिटी, ये जो बैटिंग कर रहे हैं जरगम है, करेक्ट? And that is over. Extra cover definitely will be landing in safe zone. It's just a single. How expensive will that catch be, which is missed by Shahroz in the previous over, remains to be seen. That's definitely very disheartening for the bowler. That's a very loose delivery and will be dispatched for an easy picking boundary. That is slashed and well fielded by Farhan.
Fix it for the man. No, that's true. You know it.
Should be a single. That's the end of the over. 111. 4-4 in 8 points. Apologies. In 9 overs. Now the $1 million question: who will bowl the next over? Qasim will continue. He's been expensive in the first over. The question is, Syed Zargham has been the batsman of today, 57 from 25 innings. 116 for the loss of 4 wickets in 9 overs. That is played and a miss, a dot ball. That is towards covers, short cover. That's another dot ball. 2 dot balls. The current run rate is magnificent. The projected score 249. And very magnificently placed towards third man, and that is a 4. Cheeky stuff by Azim Ansari. Is playing magnificently, not taking too many chances, and that was an elegant placement by him to a third man. That is played towards square leg toward, and that's another boundary. मुझे लग प्लेयर नहीं देखिया सी ना उथे
पहले नहीं वो गेंद उथे कितना टुर गई है मैं वो बंदा मैंने पता ही नहीं होता मैं जूं ही शॉट के लिए मैं कहो कितने जा रही है गेंद कितने जा रही है
मेरा ख्याल ओह दैट्स अ गुड प्लेसमेंट ओवर द कीपर मैग्निफिसेंट स्टॉप दैट्स 4
एनजी जे सीमट जे यकीन करो
फिर मारो को 250 ताकि अगर 200 पवे भी थे फिर
वेरी फर्स्ट बॉल देखो नहीं यार कर मारी मैं मेरी फर्स्ट बॉल खेल गया ना मतलब सीधा सीधा
Excuse me, do you have a phone charger?
No, unfortunately there I think
The office, sorry. They don't have a charger?
most probably
What they have, but I don't know. We will help you.
और चार्ज to charge 128 Kasim Sajjad 12 runs 3 back-to-back boundaries. And what elegant placement by Azim Ansari. That's a no ball. .130. That's a free hit, and Zargam is on strike, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready. And a good delivery, and should be a leg by. Umpire, was that a leg by? End of 10 overs. अंपायर ये वाटर ब्रेक नहीं है 10 के बाद 12 के बाद है क्यों बुला रहे हैं आप उनको दिस नॉट एट वाटर ब्रेक 12 के बाद है अंपायर प्लीज सेंड देम बैक 12 के बाद है 12 के बाद है 4 8 12 16 यहाँ अगर विकेट उड़ जाती है या ग्राउंड से बाहर बॉल चला जाए 10 Last 10 overs now. Babar Ali, magnificent 17 runs and 3 wickets. That is slashed towards extra cover the field. Safir Khan does well. It sticks it to a single. That is magnificently driven towards covers. That's a 4. Beautiful placement. Third man and fine leg taken back. Excellent delivery. बारवा खत्म हो जाएगा तो तुसी आ सकते हो। उस तो पहले 8वां सी तो मैं कह रहा प्लेयरां नूं कहो जागदे रहन, रूल च लिखिया होया है। And that is another 4. Sir. Who? Which one?
बहुत अच्छी टीम है
ये कुछ बंदे बूढ़े हो गए अब जैसे वो रिजवान फौजी है इम्तियाज़ भाई जो के यार 40 पे पहुंचे हुए हैं सारे क्या करना है
37 ग्राम भी हो गई
चल अच्छी मज़ा आएगा 140. Land Cricket Lads economy rate is magnificent, 13.13. And that's a no ball, my goodness. And in addition to that, the catch was dropped by Osama as well, so that's a free hit. And that is played towards short fine leg and leg by. That's the end of the over. 144 for the loss of 4 wickets in 11 overs. Seems like Abid Hashmi coming in. 144.
राशमिया बोलो।
Appeal for LB. The umpire is unfazed. That's still a dot ball. So Abid Hashmi starting well. Faster one and dispatch for a 4, but magnificent fielding by Safir, who's done so well. That is a poor delivery, nothing delivery, I must say. 4 runs. The field placement is at towards long on and mid wicket, and the ball was on the 6th or 7th stump, dare I say, and he deserved this boundary. That's a bad delivery. Oh, huge 6, 1 bounce outside. 6. Juicy full toss to Syed Zargam, who is running towards a century. Appeal for LB, and he's gone. Seam plumbed, and it is out. And a fantastic innings by Syed Zargam. 69 from 30 comes to an end. And what an innings he has played. It's 155 for 5 in just 11.5 overs, courtesy mainly to Syed Zargam, who's been magnificent. और नहीं सर, ला सकते हैं पानी, जब विकेट उड़ जाए तो ला सकते हैं, जब विकेट उड़ जाए तो ला सकते हैं, उसको कहे वापस ले आए पानी। यार इतने भी जालिम नहीं। आप में से रूल किसी ने नहीं पढ़े?
नहीं, ये पढ़ ही ना ले लूँ, पढ़े होते तो आज मैं खेल रहा था। इतनी दूर से बुला के दलील किया।
देखिए मेरा इशू ये है कि मुझसे वो कह रहे हैं आपको ग्रुप में टीम, मैंने कहा जब मैं आपसे ग्रुप में पूछता हूँ ना, तो आई आस्क यू एज ए CEO ऑफ UCL, टू मेक श्योर कि आप लोगों ने कुछ एक हफ्ते से बात ही नहीं की हुई थी उसमें, तो मैंने अंसारी भाई को मैसेज करके कहा कि यार आपको पता भी है कि मैच है कि नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता है कई दफ़ा जब ग्रुप्स में चल नहीं होती, ठीक है। अब वो ही पुट द टीम एंड आई टोल्ड हिम कि यार एक दफ़ा दोबारा चेक कर, एंड ही चेक्ड 1 by 1 इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, ठीक है। अब मेरा काम तो नहीं है, मैं तो किसी और से जब तसल्ली होगी उन्होंने मुझे दिया, मैंने कहा करिए। बल्कि मज़े की बात बताऊँ, इनिशियली ही पुट 1 man लेस 12-13 डाले, तो मैंने कहा आपने 12 डाले हुए हैं, स्क्वाड तो आपका 13 का है। फिर उन्होंने को 13 बंदे ऐसे करके डाले।
मतलब कुछ नहीं हो सकता यार, इतनी दूर।
देखिए इशू ये है कि
उसामा शाह
अदर टीम्स हैव आल्सो फॉलोड द सेम प्रिंसिपल।
जी।
कह रहे थे तू उस कैप्टन से पूछने, मैंने कहा इट्स नॉट अबाउट द अदर कैप्टन, इट्स अबाउट एवरीवन बेसिकली। इफ यू गिव लीवे इन वन तो
पहले हो चुका है
एक मैच
Has
में
happened
हुआ।
before.
हाँ, एक मैच
आप दुबई से आते हैं सर?
एक मुझसे उसामा हसन का है ना। हाँ,
जी, उसामा हसन शाह।
मैं दुबई से आता हूँ यार।
चलो मेरा बैट तो कहाँ है?
Experienced campaigner Usama Shah is now going to face Abid Hashmi. There at 10 he starts with a big six.
उसामा को मेरा बैट बहुत त्रास आया।
अच्छा ये अच्छा
इसका तीसरा मैच है, पहले में 110, दूसरे में 180, तीसरे में पहली बॉल पे छक्का।
and that's the end of the 15th over, 161. Expensive over, but they did take the wicket of Syed Zargham, so at least that is something to cheer about. Now remains to be seen who will be the next bowler. It's Imtiaz Lala coming in.
आप दुबई से आते हैं?
मैं तो
इम्तियाज
ये तो जस्ट फॉर माई पैशन प्रोजेक्ट है, वरना मैं जेकब्स इंजीनियरिंग में सीनियर इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजर हूँ। ये तो 10 साल पहले मैंने एक टीम वैसे दोस्तों की स्टार्ट की थी, वो 1 से 2, 2 से 3 से करते करते 10 टीमें हो गई हैं।
अच्छा, ADCL
UCL हो गई है, ADCL की अंडर उसके ADCL का चैप्टर है अबू धाबी का, जिसकी अभी 8 टीम है, 7 टीम है सॉरी, 2 अलैन की हैं और 1 दुबई की क्रिकेट लैब्स।
क्रिकेट लैब्स।
Starts off with a wide.
इसका आपका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है इसमें सर?
नेगेटिव मार्जिन है मेरा, 1 रुपया नहीं है इसमें।
उल्टा लग रहा है आपको।
ये कहते हैं शौक का कोई मोल नहीं है।
तो आपको क्रिकेट बहुत शौक है, आप खुद खेलते हैं?
हाँ खेलता हूँ, लेकिन अब मैनेज ज़्यादा करता हूँ, प्लस एज भी 43 हो चली है यार, अब वो खेलने के वो।
मैं भी वैसे शौकिया खेलता हूँ, मुझे तो इतना वो भी नहीं है, मेरी तो गेम अब बर्बाद हो गई है।
आप कहाँ से आए? दुबई से?
नहीं, अलैन में होता, लेकिन आज दुबई में मेरा काम था, सो आई हैड टू कम ऑल द वे बैक। प्लस मेरे अब्बू ने खेली है फर्स्ट क्लास पाकिस्तान।
अच्छा माशाल्लाह,
कैप्टन थे फर्स्ट क्लास टीम के।
वेरी गुड।
मैं तो 2019 तक खेला था, उसके बाद एक्सीडेंट हुआ, फिर 3 साल बाद वापस आया, तो वही अब हार्ड हिटर की तरह ही खेलता हूँ।
चले
ऊपर जाए हार्ड हिटर, नीचे गया हार्ड हिटर।
यू आर एंजॉयिंग योरसेल्फ?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
तो ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स, राइट? That can this be? No, it isn't. It's a dot ball. They decided against taking a single, which I think is a mature decision. You see, we have a huge constitution. Tournament rules are there. Advance copy अभी knockout से पहले एक जो add हुई है वो already share हो चुकी हुई है. And that is running away for 4 towards mid wickets. इसलिए बहुत सारे लोग हमें पसंद नहीं करते, because we run very very tight offense. आप कोई मैच नहीं खेले?
नहीं
पहले 2 मैच क्यों नहीं खेले?
सर, फर्स्ट मैच में मेरी सिस्टर की शादी थी।
अच्छा।
सेकंड मैच में इन्होंने ड्रॉप किया। थर्ड मैच में अल्लाह की तरफ से।
ये आपने बड़ी अच्छी बात की है। I'll come to and that's just a single. अल्लाह के हर काम में कोई हिकमत होती है। हो सकता है कोई बड़ी इंजरी से आज या आने वाले मैच में अल्लाह आपको बचा रहा, कोई मैच के लिए आते हैं एक्सीडेंट, वी नेवर नो। तो बस अल्लाह के हर काम में कोई हिकमत है यार।
अपकमिंग सेमीफाइनल फाइनल भी तो मैं खेल नहीं सकता.
This is your last one. Played and miss. 7 runs.
लोकेशन थोड़ी चेंज करो
किसकी?
कैमरा की.
यार बड़े बड़े एंगल्स पे किया वो बैट्समैन क्या होता है, कई दफ़ा मैंने उधर भी किया है, वो बैट्समैन कई दफ़ा माशाल्लाह इधर आ जाता है, फिर भी यही इशू होता है. अब मज़े की बात है मैंने टेबल के ऊपर भी रख के चेक किया है, वो बैट्समैन एक जगह एक बैट्समैन क्या होगा वो पिच के ऊपर होगा, एक ब्लू के ऊपर होगा, तो दैट एक्चुअली कॉजेज अ प्रॉब्लम.
थोड़ा राइट साइड पे जाए तो
फिर बहुत समटाइम्स इट बिकम्स टू राइट देन. वरना टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू सिट देयर एंड हैविंग एन इंक्लाइन जिसमें दोनों ही आ रहे होंगे, लेकिन उसका मज़ा नहीं आता.
ये व्यू सबसे अच्छा है लेकिन बैट्समैन आ गया है. मूव टुवर्ड्स द लिटिल बिट राइट, थोड़ा जूम आउट करके.
करेक्ट है, लेकिन इसकी भी लिमिटेशन है, बस देख लीजिएगा ये हद तक ये जा सकती है. चलें कुछ होपफुली फ़र्क पड़ जाना चाहिए. सफ़ीर खान स्टार्ट्स विद अ वाइड.
तो 6 फार एंगल पे जाएगा फिर ही होगा.
और अब क्वेश्चन ये है ना, अगला कहीं बैट्समैन से ज़्यादा ब्लू पे आ जाते हैं, और फिर मैंने कई दफ़ा किया है इधर उधर उधर इधर,
तो बैट्समैन को बोलना पड़ेगा.
यहाँ रूल में डालने वाला अगर कोई ब्लू पिच पे भागा उठते ही 5 रन की पेनल्टी, ऐसी तैसी. That's a good delivery and a single, and that's a poor throw, so 2 runs and missed by 1 other ball.
It's do or die for both the teams.
Not for them, लेकिन they will be relegated if they lose today, or even if they win by a big margin. They are going to be relegated to Shield Division, so they will move into the knockout of the Shield Division. You will go forward if you win. That's another wide to the Trophy Division. So they want to qualify for the qualifier of the Shield Division rather than the eliminator, to have that get out of jail card advantage in qualifier में. बहुत स्कोर है आपको यार, मैं कहूँ आपको जीतना चाहिए यहाँ से.
स्कोर ठीक है, लेकिन ये है कि अगर इसको कैरी करे तो फिर था.
I will be surprised if they won't.
No, we don't have any batsmen. It's Osama के बाद एक ओवर है.
ओवर भी साथ ही जाएंगे. तो ओवर भी तो कितने रहेंगे? 2 बॉल
रिलायबल नहीं है ना, दोनों हार्ड हिटर्स हैं, कभी भी विकेट दे दें.
अच्छा कौन कौन?
ओसामा और काका. अजीम अगर आउट होगा वो स्लो हो जाएगा.
अच्छा
जो अजीम की तो स्ट्राइक रेट 115 है.
अच्छा, he's a cautious batsman. That is very well elegantly played towards deep square leg, and that's a 4. Azim is on 42 from 26 deliveries. Bowling आप लोगों की आज कैसे है?
बॉलिंग हार्ड है, टफ लाइन है बॉलिंग हार्ड. They have 3 pacers. ये देखिए सर, 153 मैचेस में 54 सिक्सेस, 700 चौके.
That's my goodness.
117 का स्ट्राइक रेट है, 43 का.
मैं वो रेशो को देख रहा हूँ. That is unfortunate, but 4 leg buys.
इनके पास सिर्फ 2 शॉट्स हैं, एक फ्लिक और एक कट.
बड़ी अच्छी खेली है दोनों से.
दोनों बहुत पक्की हैं. आई थिंक इनके स्ट्रेट पे हार्डली शायद पूरे 99% शॉट्स इधर ही, फ्लिक एंड कट. प्लस वो विकेट से नेट करते हैं, गोल्फ बॉल और विकेट से.
अच्छा वेरी गुड.
ये डेली इसकी आईसेट है. प्लस वो बहुत एग्रेसिव है. He has played all his life in England. तो आपको पता है वहाँ के थोड़े हार्श क्रिकेटर हैं.
अच्छा.
स्लेजिंग वगैरह में बहुत हार्श है.
इंग्लिश स्लेजिंग
जी.
आधे लोगों को तो समझ नहीं आनी.
नहीं, इंग्लिश एंड बहुत इंग्लिश उर्दू नहीं, थोड़ा हार्श हो जाता है.
Play towards square leg. Deep square leg is there, so it will be just a single, and that's an expensive over. 15 runs of it comes to an end. 182, 182, 183. Sorry, in 14 overs. 183 in 14 overs.
कंटिन्यू सेम बोलो ना.
लेट हो गए. 68 मिनट्स में 15 ओवर ख़त्म करने हैं. अब एक प्लेयर अंदर आएगा इनका सर्कल के. And starts off with a huge six. That is a mega six towards deep square leg, and Imtiaz Afridi under the hammer immediately.
Okay, sir. See you. Thank you so much.
My apologies. And that should be another six sailing over cow corner, and that's a six. And that is a single. Should be just a single again. That's a better delivery. Usman Ghani right on the money there, and quick as a fox. Should be just a single. Excellent fielding by Usman Ghani there for sure. And that is the end of the over. Umpire, please inform the bowling team that they are being penalized for slow over rate, and they will have now only 4 fielders outside the circle.
Usman bowling.
Usman Ghani will now bowl to Osama Hassan Shah, who's on 29 from 11 deliveries. And inside edge towards third man. Appeal for run out. It's a single. $199 for 5. That is played towards Gully with a reverse sweep. And that is 4. $200 up, $203 for 5. Excellent knock so far. The target definitely will be above 250, and I think they can make it. Play towards third man. That's a loose delivery. Might not go for a boundary. Surely 2 runs will be taken. They are taken. 50 up for Azim Ansari. Congratulations to Azim. Azim Ansari 50 up. Excellent stuff by Azim Ansari. Elegant play by him. And over the keeper. $50 partnership from 23 deliveries. Played and a miss. Last ball, Usman Ghani running in. Played and a miss again. That's another dot ball and end of the 16th over, 206. Now who will bowl the... Imtiaz Afridi will continue. $206 in 16 overs. And that is slashed towards deep point. That's a poor delivery, and that's a 4. that is punched straight. Oh, that's poor fielding by Irfan Ayub, and that is a 4. And again placed towards point, and again running towards 4. Excellent stuff. And that is the end of a fantastic innings by Azim Ansari. $218 for 6. Umpire batsman कौन आया?
Wasim.
Mohammad Wasim walks in. And that is 1 bounce and just a single. Mohammad Wasim off the mark now. Excellent delivery by Imtiaz Afridi. $220 in 17 overs.
Continue.
Usman Ghani will continue the over. Edged and gone. That is the end of Usama. $220.
Dr. Mashuddin.
Dr. Mashood Qazi walks in. Usman Ghani running in, and that is sailing over square leg, and a 6. That is pathetic fielding by Shahroz once again. My goodness, 2 very easy catches dropped today by Shahroz, and that is one of the worst fieldings efforts I've seen. That was poor stuff by Shahroz. Should know better that catches win matches. Played and missed there, dot ball. यहाँ ये दूसरा क्या जिसने ड्रॉप किया है? One of the over, dot ball again. Oh, played and miss. Excellent delivery. Dot ball. Oh, that's a wide ball. Unfortunately, free run. Call for 2, and they will eventually not be able to take them.
Ghani ने रुक किया.
2 ओवर पड़े हैं. डॉक्टर साहब आउट हुए हैं ना?
अब्दुल हलीम.
228 for 8. Abdul Halim comes in. 1650s, 500s. 228 for 8 in 18 overs. Last 2 overs left. Babar Ali will bowl his last over. Muhammad Wasim will face. Punch towards long on. Imtiaz Afridi is on it. इम्तियाज भाई, आपने क्या चौका करवाया वहाँ पे? आपने क्या चौका करवाया इतना है? आप जब मिस करते हैं तो हमें परेशानी होती है फिर. कि अल्लाह खैर करे. Again, a good delivery. Well played, Azim. Very well played. And clean board.
Thank you.
That's the end. Oh, that's a no ball. My goodness. So that doesn't count. Is it run out? That's the question. He's run out. Okay. So very funny things happening. It's Wasim who got out.
Wasim.
Wasim. Run out. सर जी डायरेक्ट थ्रो किसने की है?
उस्मान गनी।
Usman Ghani. It's a no ball, however, one scored no balls.
So you don't play? You used to play in the past?
I don't play internal games because of my position.
What do you mean?
I'm the
Because of your position as a
CEO of
CEO.
UCL.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैं जिधर भी अपील करूंगा अंपायर ने उंगली उठानी है तो मुझे किसी ने कहना कि जी उसने तो आउट देना ही था।
सही बात।
यहाँ अगर एलबी किसी ने ना दिया तो उन्होंने कहना जी आप क्या लगा जेन्युइनली शायद ना ही हो। आई प्ले एक्सटर्नल, आई डोंट प्ले इंटरनल।
Where you're from Pakistan? Where is Pakistan?
लाहौर।
Where in Lahore?
डिफेंस में आज
I'm from Modelton.
मॉर्टन।
But I grew up here, born here.
अच्छा,
I was
वेरी
in
नाइस।
UK for like 6 years.
ये कौन है?
This is Yunus Fazan.
Yunus on strike.
And it's a free hit, so Abdul Halim has the license to thrill. And thrill he does with a punch towards long off, just a single. आज आपके बंदों ने वो एक लाइनअप में ब्लंडर मारा।
क्या मारा?
एक आपका बंदा दूसरा बंदा ऐड कर दिया स्क्वाड में, एक बंदा वो मुझे उसके भाई का नाम भूल गया, वो स्क्वाड में नहीं।
मैच से पहले या ग्राउंड में?
मैच से पहले जो स्क्वाड एंट्री होता है ना, सो दे डिड नॉट, दे बाय मिस्टेक एडेड जिसने उसामा को अपना बैट दिया हुआ था।
अच्छा।
Tall fellow with the beard.
Kamil.
I guess. They came to me कि जो change करते, मैंने कहा यार sorry क्योंकि this is not fair to any other captain. There has been one incident at the start. I didn't allow them. It's not a matter of this captain allowing. It's a matter of all the captains. Yes.
Other team.
And he checked in front of me twice actually. So the buck stops at the captain and at the end of the day. That is smashed for a 6.
Because I have my own team, I'm the captain of my own team.
Oh, very nice.
So I have perfect
Here,
discipline.
Alan?
Yeah.
What's the name?
WED. My dad used to run it for 30 years.
Oh, very nice.
Then I was in UK, I came back, now I'm running it.
So you live in Alan?
Yeah, I was born here. I work in Dubai.
Oh, you work in Dubai as
Silicon Oasis, HR recruiter.
HR recruiter. All right, nice.
So I have discipline in my team. Punctuality, being on time. That's the main thing. If you're not disciplined, no point of playing.
Correct.
It gets rid of your ego. Everyone is equal. Simple as that.
Oh, that's another big one. Huge 6 towards square leg. That's a biggie.
Great shot.
That ends the 19th over. 2:45 for Alan Cricket Lads. Can they punch it up to 260? Who knows?
He was the most difficult bowler to face. At the
He
length,
mixes it up.
Mixes it up at the length, doesn't give you pace.
UCL is also all about very strict rules. We have a very strict constitution.
Which is good, man.
We have a proper constitution. आप constitution अगर पढ़ेंगे ना तो आप तो HR के आप it's proper. I'm actually a senior engineering manager in Jacobs Engineering.
Okay.
I'm currently handling the NEOM project basically from Dubai head office. ये तो मैं शौक है। और मेरा इसमें मुझसे एक बंदे ने पूछा भी आ गया Usman Ghani bowling the last 6 deliveries. And the keeper. No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
मुझसे पूछ रहा था आपको माते कितने, मैंने कहा मेरी जेब से लगता है, मैं आज तक 10 साल हो गए UCL को, मैंने कहा
You're giving it back. What you love about it.
करेक्ट। तो कहते हैं ना शौक।
As a captain, as a leader, to take the added responsibility of giving from my own pocket because it's my passion. People are usually like, if you're the captain, you take from here, you take from here. No. If you love something, you give it from your own pocket out of genuine love for the game.
Perfect.
And
Excellent delivery, change of pace. Abdul Aleem is not changing strike. I think he wants to take the next 4 deliveries on his own. And why not? He's on 14 from 5 deliveries. A couple of big hits can make a difference. That's as straight as it can be. That's a 4. Tell you what, I think the deception went a bit too much here. The moment it was released, the batsman was ready for a slow delivery. He picked it up as quick as a falcon.
so Halim is an opener. He opens on my team.
Ah, okay.
Proper batsman. Young, energetic, team man, quiet boy. Hit it.
Again, straight as possible. Can Irfan intercept it? He does not. 4 runs again. So, you play with Ansari Bhai and you run your own team. How does it work?
Ansari Bhai, I'm only playing for this tournament because there's only one team from Alan.
Okay.
So, and I've known Ansari Bhai since I was a kid. He's been very old with my dad as well. So, his real team is Friends. I'm sure you know, Friends CC.
Correct.
So, but this is only one team from Alan. So, he's gathered pretty much a lot of people from Alan.
So there will be a second team coming up also.
Oh,
Oh, that's a biggie!
wow!
Sailing over, long on, and that is magnificent hit.
Wow.
अभी I think वो तारिक खान भाई ने 11 starts
11
add की है.
इस टूर्नामेंट या एक और हो रहा है?
Next season,
तो next season will be right after this season?
September.
September.
We take 2 months break क्योंकि हमारा 9 months non-stop चल रहा होता है. 3 tournaments चलते हैं ना हमारे.
I'll add my own team then as well. If it's possible.
It is possible, but I'll talk to you. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल? ठीक ठाक हो?
बस अदनान भाई फाइन की हाल है सर, ठीक हूँ.
That's excellent delivery.
डबल भाग
Good idea. Before you guys started playing here, you didn't see any bags on the pitch.
No,
beside the
there
crease.
wasn't any bag. When I came here at
it was
was closed.
secured, yeah.
that's the end 263,
Yeah, and check over there.
and the target is 264 in 20 overs, and we'll be back in the next innings.